Question number 30. The culture of the 21st century on an increasingly dash scale is oriented around the practical principles of utility, effectiveness and impact. Things are good to the extent that they are instrumental, with instrumentality usually defined as the capacity to produce money or things. The worth of anything, an idea, an activity, an artwork, a dash with another person is determined dash. Okay. So, we begin with the culture of the 21st century. The culture of the 21st century on an increasingly what scale? Can we say global scale, conspicuous scale, nominal scale or ordinal scale? Well, with regard to scale, we can go with global. Can we say nominal scale is oriented around the practical principles of utility, effectiveness and impact? The sentence talks about things being good to the extent they are instrumental, and this is something which is defined as the capacity to produce money or things. So, it cannot be nominal at all because we are talking about a scale which is widespread. So, we cancel out nominal and the third choice, and ordinal scale is also meaningless. Okay, so 3 and 4 can be eliminated easily. Can we then say on an increasingly global scale or conspicuous scale? Yes, both of these can be considered as possible fillers for the first blank. So, the culture is oriented around the practical principles of whatever. Things are good to the extent that they are instrumental. Instrumentality is defined as the capacity to produce money or things. The worth of anything, an idea, an activity, an artwork. Can we say a dialogue or a relationship with another person? Well, relationship makes more sense than dialogue. Okay. Is determined pragmatically or diligently? Again, if you are confused and you are not able to eliminate 2 because of dialogue, you can go ahead and check which between pragmatically and diligently is better. Pragmatically means practically and diligently is based upon hard work. Diligence is being industrious or hardworking or persevering. So, in the context, pragmatically or practically is what would make sense. An artwork, a relationship. The author says the worth of anything, and he includes a variety of these, beginning from an idea, then moving to activity, an artwork, a relationship with another person. Okay, a relationship, we cannot say a dialogue with another person is determined diligently, but we can certainly say that a relationship with another person is determined pragmatically. Okay, so 1 is correct and 2 can be eliminated. Okay.